here.
It's present time.
These are all her clothes that we've got her.
Oh wow.
Which I feel funny unwrapping since we wrapped them. Yay!
Pretty!
Mom.
Pretty!
She's like, that one doesn't make a noise.
Here, open this. She's fed up. Yay!
Oh, this is yours too.
Oh. Maybe we should open one of her toys and then...
There you go. Is that a toy?
Look, Mommy, it's pretty.
I love that.
Is this a toy? I don't know.
I'll just unwrap these.
Woo!
Yuck.
Tabitha.
You're the best dressed baby ever.
Tabitha.
Got the same jacket.
That's your jacket, Tabs?
Matches your
Is that
cousin.
pretty?
It's
this?
all very nice, but where's the noisy stuff?
Come on, dance. And there's a dead bug in her bag. That's gross.
A bed bug?
It could be. Take a look and see if it is.
Serious?
That would be pretty interesting.
Does he know what they look like?
Is it flat?
Yeah, it's kind of gross.
Okay.
Please,
Baby.
please remember we're recording
Hold on,
this.
This is John and Sarah's baby.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay. This is a fun one.
That's pretty wrapping paper, huh?
There you go.
Here, baby.
Come get it. Come get it, Tabby.
Uh-huh.
Ruby.
It's Lindsay.
Oh.
Who's that from?
Oh, how cute. Whoa, this is cool.
Who's this one from?
This from her mom and dad, I think.
This one you, Mum and Dad?
Clock.
Walking back when you start walking like that.
Oh, how cool is that?
That is so great. That's so cute.
I've never seen anything like that.
Reminds me of that piano kind.
So encourage your baby to learn how to walk with lights and sound. Wow, that's so cool. I love that.
Very cool.
That's cool. Thank you guys.
Here, baby.
She's gonna love that. This is from Ruby. Rip it, baby. Oh, wow.
My goodness, you couldn't have a bigger box up in your mum.
Cute.
Nice big warm jammies.
You couldn't have a bigger box up in your mum.
Upsy daisy. Time to go to sleep, Upsy daisy. How cute.
You couldn't have a
That's
bigger
cute,
box up in your
baby.
mum.
What's this? They're
Oh,
good.
that's cute too.
Oh, good. Those are cute.
Very cute.
Yay!
This is for her?
Yeah.
Abby, not having fun anymore? She did good for a while. Look at how shiny.
Hey, she's shiny. Tabby. Tabby. Ooh. Extreme close up.
What's that? Mmm.
Oh, dear Chelsea and William. You're also happy for both of your lovely baby. She looks just beautiful, and I'm sure that with God's help, you will both be great parents. Being a parent is very rewarding, but also very, very difficult. She's poopy. As you will soon discover throughout the years ahead, we pray that God will bless you both and direct and guide you as you seek His counsel in all decisions that you will need to make as parents. Your lovely daughter will bring you great joy and happiness to your marriage and your home. Lots of love and hugs and kisses to your baby girl. We miss you so much. From Stan, Teresa, Alana, Alicia, Derek,
Aww.
and Cheryl Marie.
Aww.
Yes, Chelsea, whenever I hear Oh Holy Night, I think of your beautiful voice and smile. Love from Teresa. Thank you for being so kind to Alana and Alicia when I was ill. That's sweet.
What is that?
Oh,
little critter in the spring.
Dad, you want to skip behind the tree and see if there's anything for Tandem?
Behind the trees.
Yeah.
I love that kind of dress.
That's pretty.
Aww.
Actually, that won't fit her too far from me.
Oh, baby.
I wonder what size
Why
it
the
is. Is
pouting?
that all hers?
No, there's more, but Dad's bringing it around.
Had that one, let's go.
Oh.
Shut up.
Rip it, baby, rip it.
Oh, the baby.
Look.
Ooh.
No size, Chels.
No size on
Ooh.
it? Just have to try it on her and see.
No size.
Can you open that? Should we play with it while she's look?
It makes noises. Oh. Feel like?
Mommy and Daddy.
Yay. How much of this can I get in my mouth?
I'm just gonna help her along.
Look, baby.
Alex, where are you? Come out and see if you can find the size.
Ooh.
Things you're better at it.
Oh, how cute. Oh,
Sleep suit.
Yay.
what size
Hey,
is that?
baby.
9 to 12.
I see you.
Another one doesn't fit her now, so this is what she'll be wearing the rest of the winter.
I see
Yeah, good
you.
idea.
Good timing, because the other one doesn't fit her anymore.
And
That's
then
it.
back up.
Perfect.
So much.
I don't, the
Okay,
box
William.
I can't see here, so let's see.
Doesn't she have more?
Yeah, her big cousins, you guys.
Okay.
You want me to take that over? You might as well bring it out.
Yeah, bring it out.
Oh, this is my tabby. Let's get some.
Wait, this goes with something.
It's probably Stan's present.
What does this go with, love?
I don't know, we'll find out. Okay, let me pull my pants up to my